What if I told you someone studied English for 10 years and still could not say a simple hello when it actually mattered? This is the story of Leo. Leo was a hardworking student who always took his English learning seriously. He spent years studying grammar rules, learning new words every day, and practicing through books and written exercises. If you looked at his notebooks, you would think he was excellent at English because everything was neat, correct, and well prepared. However, there was one major problem. Leo never practiced speaking. He was always afraid of making mistakes and worried that people would judge him or laugh at him. Because of this fear, he kept telling himself that he would start speaking only when English became perfect. Days turned into months, and months turned into years. But that perfect moment never came. One day, Leo got one day Leo got a great opportunity to attend a job interview at a good company. He was excited, but also very nervous because this was his chance to prove himself. When he entered the interview room, the interviewer greeted him with a smile and said, "Hello, Leo. Please introduce yourself." At that moment, something unexpected happened. Leo's mind went completely blank. All the grammar rules he had learned and all the vocabulary he had memorized seemed to disappear. He knew what he wanted to say, but he simply could not speak. After a few seconds of silence, all he could manage to say was a soft hi. The interview did not go well, and Leo walked out feeling disappointed. That day, he understood a powerful truth. Knowing English is not the same as speaking English. After that experience, Leo decided to change. He stopped waiting for perfection and started focusing on practice. He began speaking to himself in English every day, even if his sentences were not perfect. He allowed himself to make mistakes and slowly became more comfortable expressing his thoughts. Over time, his confidence grew, and speaking English no longer felt as frightening as before. Over time, his confidence grew, and speaking English no longer felt as frightening as before. The lesson from Leo's story is simple. You do not need perfect English to start speaking. What you truly need is the courage to try because fluency comes from practice, not just knowledge. So, if you are waiting for the perfect time to start speaking English, stop waiting and start today. Even if you make mistakes, keep going because that is how real learning happens. Follow my channel to learn English.